The 5-star Finale is the ultimate finishing tool. It is intended for professional use only and is engineered to deliver the sharp performance that experts demand. The 5-star Finale finishing tool is ideal for finishing and blending bald fades, cleaning up hair and necklines, eliminating stray hairs, and bump-free shaving. The unique gold foil does not cause ingrown hairs and is designed to cut hair 1/32 of an inch or shorter. Use a light touch when using the Finale. The foil should glide over the skin. The lithium battery keeps the rotary motor running at full speed for up to 90 minutes per charge.